subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, this is Netra P Chand. How are you? I think all are doing well. Today I've taken one topic from set which is known as a cardinality relation of two sets. I'll tell you how to derive the formula here, basic formula, fundamental formula of cardinality relation of two sets. If A and B are two sets, two subsets of universal set U, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All we are familiar about this formula. Let's see how to prove this formula. Very simple method we have. All we can prove very easily. Okay, here we go. Just we can take a let cardinality relation of A. N of A is equal to, you can say, let's suppose A, and n of B is equal to B, and intersection part we can take, okay, n of A intersection B is equal to C. According to this, I'm going to show in here, okay, in Venn diagram, right? In Venn diagram, if we have to show n of A, as we know, okay, this is your set A, this one is your set B, and this represents your universal set. These two are the two intersecting okay, sets, okay, which are also subsets of the universal set, right? If you firstly we will write down the C, as we know, okay, this one here, okay, n of A is equal to, we have A, n of B here is equal to B. So here total is A, C part is already there, then we can write down A minus C, and total is B, C is already occupied here, and here we can write B minus C remaining part, right? So from Venn diagram, okay, ABC, okay, you can write down here from Venn diagram. From Venn diagram, n of A union B is equal to, now I'm going to shade. So A union B, from this diagram A union B, see here this portion, this whole portion, okay, right, shaded portion represents A union B. So from shaded portion, from Venn diagram, n of A union B is equal to A minus C plus B minus C is equal to, here cancelled, and ultimately you will get A plus B minus C. Now let's convert. What is A? A, already we have supposed A n of A, and B n of B means cardinal number of B, and C is n of A intersection B. I think you got it, okay. Therefore we can write down, okay, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So this is your basic, or you can say the fundamental formula of cardinality relation of two sets, okay. We can derive from this many formulas we can generate, okay. I'll show that one also. I'm making for that once again of Venn diagram. So almost all formula you can derive from the Venn diagram. Intersection sets. This rectangular box represents your universal set A. This one is your B. Here n of A, and this set represents your n of B. Here n of A intersection B. Here only A, this part is only A, this one portion only A, n of only A. Here n of only B, n of only B. Here inside the rectangular box, but outside the circles, anywhere you may write down n of A union B complement, n of a union b complement, whole complement, right? So first formula we can write down like here, n of a union b. If we have to write down in terms of only, we can write down only a plus only b plus n of a intersection b, right? Only a plus only b plus n of a intersection b, which is also equal to n of a union b. And second formula you can write down n of u. N of u, okay, n of a union b, n of a union b plus this n of a complement, n of whole complement of a union b, yeah, whole complement. This one, and so from here again n of u we can write, as we know, n of u union b, a union b, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b, we can write down in expanded form, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b plus n of a union b complement, means whole complement of a union b. So another one also, n of u, if we have only, then only n of a only a plus n of only b plus n of a intersection b plus n of a union b whole complement, right? So I don't so think you have no problem. Now I think you understood. This plus this plus this plus this means n of u. And number 5, n only a. So listen to me, n only a, also n of a minus b, which is also equal to n of a minus b. So formula for this, we will have n of a minus n of a intersection b. You can memorize for this one. And second part, similarly we can write down for b, n only b, n of only b is equal to, also equal to b minus a, according to this diagram, which is also equal to n of b minus n of a intersection b. Okay everybody, now I think you understood all these formula, how we have derived from this diagram, right? These are, if you want to crack down the questions based on to cardinality relations, whether simple questions or Bauer problems, you can handle with these formula very easily, right? So I'm sure all you will remember these formulas, and so surely it's gonna be very easy to you crack down the questions, right? And one more thing, okay, sometimes okay, you are asked to find out the exactly one thing, like find the number of students who like exactly one thing, right? Exactly one thing, yeah, exactly one time, who like who study exactly one thing. That time you have to find out only a and only b, and you can add up thereafter, right? Means n of only a plus n of only b, that will give you the result for exactly one, right? And second thing, sometimes you are asked to find out either a and the number of students who like either a or b. At the time you have to find out n of a union b, n of a union b. And second one, if you are asked again this type of find the number of students who like at least one of two games, at least one of two things, at the time also you have to find out n of a union b, n of a union b. All right everybody, so I think you understood. Okay, so thank you very much for today. Bye bye.